How to listen to lectures. First, prepare yourself to listen. You need to focus your attention on the lecture. This means disregarding many of the other stimuli around you. This is particularly important when you are trying to listen to a video lecture in a rather noisy place. In this case, you may have to find a quieter place. Second, understand what kind of talk the speaker is making. Is the speaker providing information? Is the speaker arguing a position? Knowing what kind of spoken text you are listening to will help prepare you to organize what you are hearing. Other kinds of spoken text include process analysis, classification, description, narration, and combinations of these. Third, organize what you hear. As you listen, you need to organize what the speaker is saying into an outline. This means you need to pick out the main ideas and understand the details that support them. You need to see how the details support the main ideas. You can try to make connections with what a speaker is saying with what her or she previously said and prepare yourself to connect these with what they will say next. Fourth, listen critically. Critical listening means applying proper logical processes to what you listen to. For one, you need to see if the speaker is making unwarranted assumptions. Then you also need to differentiate facts from opinion. Third, you need to understand if the speaker is making claims. If so, then you need to evaluate if the speaker is providing arguments that really support those claims. Critical listening is a very important kind of listening. Fifth, pay attention to verbal and nonverbal cues. Often speakers support their words with verbal and nonverbal cues. Verbal cues include speaking slowly or fast, speaking in low or high volume, making pauses, and varying the rhythm of their speech. Nonverbal cues include facial expression, gestures, eye contact, and even the space they make between themselves and the audience. This is called proxemics. Sixth, listen selectively. Sometimes, you need to pay attention to specific information the speaker provides. This is particularly true when a speaker is arguing a position. In doing so, you can evaluate if the information the speaker provides is factual, bogus, or based on unwarranted assumptions. Seventh, repeat to yourself. Sometimes a speaker gives a quotable quote or a significant idea. This may be from his or herself or from another person. One way to retain this quote or idea is to repeat it to yourself. You may even say it out loud because hearing yourself can help you remember. 8. And last, provide feedback. When listening to a face-to-face lecture where the speaker can see you, it can be very helpful to provide feedback to the speaker. This may be that you appreciate what he or she is saying, like when you nod your head or smile, or that you do not understand what the speaker said, like when you frown or cross your eyebrows, or that you did not hear the speaker quite well, like when you incline your ear closer, or that what he or she said made you think a little more, like when you look at the ceiling after hearing what a speaker just said. Providing feedback can help speakers be more effective in accomplishing the purpose of their speech. In conclusion, you can benefit more from listening to lectures if you apply important listening skills and techniques.